Hi guys, Best Trees Baba. I'm the owner of Comrades Barber Shop, a local barber shop based in Nairobi, Kenya. I want to share with you some tips on how to deal with sharp blades. Sharp blades which usually cause barbs when you are cutting your client's hair. So when you are doing shaving, you normally encounter some issues with the clients who usually complain about bumps. Bumps are usually caused by sharp blades. Sharp blades usually inflict some cuts on the client's beard, hairline, and so on and so forth. To deal with the issues like bumps and to control bumps and deal with the sharp blades, you usually use some I just want to give you some tips on how to make your blends not to injure your client's skin or the hairline. So my tip which I usually do, the best tips I usually do is trying to minimize the sharpness of the blade. How can I do that? How do I do that? On my side, I usually use sandpaper. These are sandpaper. Sandpaper is a tool used to smoothen surfaces, wood surfaces, metal surfaces. But on my side, I usually use sandpaper to try to kill the sharpness of the blade. So when I realize my clients are complaining about haircut which usually goes so deep to the skin and will cause some lines on the hairline, when you realize that when you are doing the cutting to a client, the hairline usually, after the hairline, if you have done the hairline, you find a day or two the hairline mark. The hairline has a black mark on the head. So to control this, I usually use sandpaper to kill the sharpness of the blade. If you want to know your blend is cutting your client, you can test your blend using your hand, using your skin. You can even test with your skin to feel if the blend is sharp. After realizing your blade is sharp, what I usually do is I usually take a sandpaper and try to kill the sharpness, as I'm going to show you now what I usually do with the blade. Just as troubleshooting in a barber shop, just to help some people know how to deal with some minor things which usually happen, troubles some barbers when they are doing their daily work in their barber shops. So I'm gonna show you on how to deal with the issue of sharp blades on the skin. Okay. After realizing that your blade is sharp, what you normally do is you use a sandpaper, a brand new sandpaper. As I said, sandpaper is used to smoothen surfaces, like wood surfaces and metal surfaces, or anything like even plastic surfaces, or to kill some sharp surfaces. like mirror. You can do it on a mirror, on grass fan, things like that. So when you realize your blade is sharp, I usually kill the sharpness using the sandpaper. So I place the sandpaper on a sharp surface to protect the blade from being crooked. So you place it on a flat surface and do some smoothing of, you do the smoothing of the tip of the blade. You smoothen the tip of the blade to the feeling that it will not cut your skin, to a place where you will realize the blades are not really cutting you. You will just feel your skin. Your skin will tell you if the blade is not cutting you or not. You will repeat the service, the process again, so that you can feel that smoothness. The blade is not going deep into your skin like a needle. Just the feeling of a needle is where you just feel the feeling of a needle. So after repeating 3 to 4 times, applying some pressure, you realize the blade is now not piercing to your skin. So you take the other blade. I'm finished with the inner blade. You take the outer blade and repeat the same process to the feeling that you can feel your blade is so smooth. After repeating several times, you realize the blade is now smooth and it's not piercing through your skin. It's just, you just feel the softness of the blade. After that, now you can go on and put your blade back on your clipper and start your job normal. Just a tip to show you how to deal with the sharp and piercing blades. Hope you will enjoy my video. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel, Best Choice Barber. Okay, thank you.